Hello, friends. We have to uh, build the product based on the customer experience and then come back towards the technology, not the other way around. Mentioned by Steve Jobs. Today, whole business is driven by customer experience. As you all know, customer experience involves at every interactions that he or she engage with an organizations during his customer journey. Therefore, it is very important that every touch point or every interaction point is closely analyzed and understand the pain area of a customer and iteratively and incrementally try to address those pain area and try to meet the expectations of the customer. In fact, some of this customer experienced software company like Qualtrics have already published a report which says that those organizations who are leading their business based on the customer experience at the upfront, they are in a more better positions in terms of retaining their different accounts. But maintaining this overall customer experience strategy is not an easy. The way any organization today build their marketing company to convey the different features of the product or services, the quality, prices, differentiations that they have to the customer at the upfront rather than customer reaches to them. We need to build similar kind of customer experience strategy at the very initial stage rather than customer come back and give us the problem he or she is facing. As I said, therefore, today I am going to share the 3 or 4 reasons why customer experience strategy is very important. Number one, it will help to retain or renewal your customers in a more predictable and controlled manner. As you all know, the customer satisfaction is the key for the business. And the customer satisfaction is the outcome how you have given the customer experience in end-to-end process. So better the customer satisfaction based on the strategy that you have implemented, and you are able to achieve the goals or expectation that customer wanted from your service, you will have in better positions in terms of retention and renewal of customers. So customer experience strategy will help to achieve the satisfactions of a customer, and hence it will help you to retain or renewal your customer in a more controlled and predictable manner. Number one. Number two, as you all know, today customer experience just not by the product, it experience end to end. For example, we go to restaurant, we not only focus the product or the food, we also focus the surroundings, we also focus the washroom, we also focus the price, we also focus the how this customer representative is behaving with us. So therefore, understanding this each of this touch point, each of these interaction points, and solving those interaction issues that is involved in each of these interaction points is the need of the hour to give the better experience to the customer. So this focusing on the overall experience rather than one product or one feature in this customer journey. That is second point. Third, very important, why we need to focus the customer experience strategy, because it whole your organization will move towards the customer centric organizations. If you compare the website, public facing website or mobile app that we have today compared to 5-10 years back, it is far robust than what we have today compared to 10 years back. The reason being, those organizations who are doing their business through mobile app are constantly getting the feedback or constantly trying to understand the customer pain area and iteratively and incrementally improving it. They are able to measure the customer experience and working towards those pain area for the long term, and hence you are able to see this seamless integration of different apps. Today if you go to e-commerce, you will also find how the checkout options are seamlessly happening with different payment solution that we have, either it is Google payment solutions or any kind of UPI driven apps, payment app that we have integrated seamlessly. Similarly, there is a recommendation engines to give you the various similar options that you can purchase in the e-commerce site. Similarly, there is a beautiful descriptions, comparative study from one product to others. These are the experience that has evolved over a period of time when organization works to achieve the satisfaction SLA that the organization has benchmarked. And that is one example when I'm talking about app part. But when organization work towards this customer experience, that improvement area will also cascade to the sales team, to the marketing team, to the customer support team, and across all the departments within the organizations. And that will make an organizations a customer centric organizations and become one of the most prominent competitor in the market. And therefore this customer experience strategy is important, which will make an organizations a customer centric organizations and become a leader in the market. Last but not least, the better customer crisis management. Despite the fact that you have good customer experience or average customer experience strategy that you will always face the crisis in terms of retentions of the customer. Anytime your customer can leave you. But if you have a better control of customer data in terms of satisfaction rate, in terms of how which customer is a neutral, which customer will recommend to you for cross-selling and upselling, and which customer is problem and what kind of solutions that we have provided to solve those problems, and the overall the geographical data, overall the persona of the customers in terms of age, sex, buying capacity, geographical regions, and so on and so forth. This customer data will definitely help in you organizations in the long run if there is any crisis happens to quickly recover from that crisis and make your continuity of your organizations. So crisis management is another key area that customer experience strategy will able to meet. So 3-4 areas primarily, as I said, if you have better customer experience strategy to measure the customer experience end-to-end journey, you will be in better position to handle the crisis management. You will be better position to retain or renewal the customer. You will be better positions to make your organization a customer-centric organizations. I hope I am able to explain why customer experience strategy is key for today's business growth. Let us try to contribute whatever the best possible way we can, irrespective of which positions we are in the organizations, and make our organizations better place to survive and grow. With this note, this is Nirpa Chhetri signing out for today. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.